Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start. 1. Discussing seller's motivation.
Hi, Sarah. I've been reviewing the current market trends, and it seems like a good time for you to sell. What are your main motivations for listing your property now?
Well, my job is relocating me to another city, and I need to sell quickly. I'm hoping to secure a good deal to cover the moving expenses.
I understand the urgency. We'll work on pricing the property competitively to attract potential buyers. Have you thought about your ideal selling price?
I was hoping to get around $400,000, considering the market value in this area.
Okay, let's aim for that. I'll also explore negotiation strategies to ensure we maximize your profit while appealing to potential buyers. Are there any specific terms or conditions you'd like me to prioritize in the negotiation process?
Well, a quick closing would be ideal for me. The sooner I can wrap up the sale, the better.
Got it. We'll emphasize a speedy closing in our negotiations. I'll start working on a comprehensive marketing plan to attract potential buyers and showcase the property's unique features.
That sounds great. I appreciate your help in navigating this process.
Of course, Sarah. We'll work together to make this transition as smooth as possible.
Scenario 2. Addressing buyer's concerns.
Hi, Michael. We found a property we like, but there are a few concerns about the inspection report. How can we navigate this in the negotiation?
I'm here to help. What specific issues were flagged in the inspection report?
The roof needs repairs, and there are some foundation concerns. We're worried about the long-term stability of the house.
I see. It's crucial to address these concerns. I'll talk to the seller's agent about the possibility of fixing these issues before closing. If that's not feasible, we can negotiate a reduction in the asking price to accommodate the needed repairs.
That would be reassuring. We really love the house, but we want to make sure it's in good condition.
Understandable. We'll prioritize your concerns in the negotiation process. Additionally, we can discuss a home warranty to provide you with extra peace of mind regarding potential future repairs.
That sounds like a good plan. Thanks for guiding us through this, Michael.
Scenario 3. Negotiating purchase price and terms.
Hello, John. I've reviewed the initial offer on your property, and the buyer is interested but hoping for a slight reduction in the asking price. How do you feel about negotiating on the price?
I expected some negotiation, so I'm open to discussion. What's their proposed price, and do they have any specific terms?
They've offered $380,000, which is $20,000 below the asking price. Additionally, they're requesting a longer closing period to align with the end of their lease.
The price is a bit lower than I hoped for, but I can be flexible on the closing date. Can we counter with a compromise on the price and maintain a reasonable closing timeline?
Absolutely. I'll communicate your counteroffer, emphasizing the property's value and unique features. We want to find a middle ground that satisfies both parties.
That sounds good. I appreciate your assistance in navigating these negotiations.
My pleasure, John. I'll keep you updated on the progress, and we'll work together to secure a favorable deal.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.